In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Instagram Music on your Instagram story. So if I click right there, let me just do that right now. And then if I just take a picture and then swipe up, you'll see the music feature right there. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can get this in this video. It doesn't matter where you're from. So first of all, I'm just going to close all of my apps that were open, and I'm going to go to the Play Store, and that's what you need to do as well. Go to the Play Store or to the App Store, it doesn't matter, and then find a free VPN. So I'm just going to download VPNify. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Anyway, download this app right there, free VPN, unlimited secure hotspot proxy. Click on install. A VPN is a virtual private network, and with this we can actually change the location, change the internet location so that it seems like you're in the United States or in the UK or whatever country you want it to be in. So let me just wait for that app to install, and then I'm going to show you how you can set that up so that you can get access to Instagram Music on your Instagram story. So right now, just wait for that to install. There you go. Click on open, click on get started, and then you can select a server. Now you want to select the United States. So scroll down, click United States, tap to connect, click on OK, and then you want to get rid of these ads. Because this is a free VPN, you might get a ton of ads, but just do this, and then right now you're actually connected to a server in the United States, in New York, so that it looks like you're actually in the United States. Now if you then go back to Instagram and then go to your story, you should be able to get access to the Instagram Music feature. Now this is exactly how you can get the Instagram Music thing, music feature on your Instagram story. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and I'll see you next time.